Are you an accountant and would you like to learn how to make more money using Xero for your financial statements? My name's Donnie Buchanan. I'm the founder of entrycounts.com, the place where we make it all count. We've helped over 300 accounting firms build the most compliant, efficient, and profitable reporting systems within their accounting firm. So what's the secret? Well, you have to do two really important things. Firstly, you need to set the system up properly, either by building it yourself or finding a consultant to do it for you. The second thing is you need the right processes and you need to train the people, because within the people and the processes is where you optimize everything and you get the most profit. On our website, you'll find a free ebook about how to build your own system. If you'd like to know more about how we do it, jump on our website and book us for a chat and we can walk you through the entire process and you can see exactly why our clients have the most profitable outcomes.